My name is January. I come from Rwanda. I'm a student, CFG Kivumu. I'm a carpenter.
The Carpentry section of the Father Vieko Center in Kivumu, Rwanda helps to prepare students from the surrounding villages for a successful career in woodwork. These students learn valuable trade skills while working on practical projects such as furniture.
I can work cupboard and chairs and bed.
The finished products from the school are sold to the public, with the money raised helping to pay for supplies. To learn more about the Father Vieko Center, visit www.vieko-rwanda.info.